Hello everyone. What we got here is a seemingly plain vanilla 19 Gen 3. So, standard operating procedure when disassembling is now remove the magazine, check the chamber, point the gun in a safe direction, and pull the trigger. Otherwise you cannot take off the slide assembly. Like this. And back in the game. So how about this? Back the slide, check the chamber, and that's it.
Morning, Axel.
Good morning, I'm just videotaping. And once again, lock back the slide, check the chamber, and that's it. So before all explain me that a professional would never forget the round in the chamber, and that's why you don't need that feature. Well, because we all never make mistakes, right? And that's why some of the more recent striker fire designs, pistol designs, employ exactly that feature. There are just 2 points here. First, almost all of them are single action designs. Most likely because it is way easier to employ that feature in a single action trigger than at such a partially cocked Glock trigger. And second, even though they have been developed right from the start with that feature in mind, they do employ quite a few additional parts to accomplish that. This baby got exactly that many additional parts. And that is American counting, not the German one. Just saying. Oh, and if anybody here in the Arizona vicinity should have a fuel tank for a 1990 Ram 5.9, find in.